Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on eBay. First, you'll need to create an eBay account, which is a simple process requiring a valid email. Next, set up your shipping address and preferred payment methods, like PayPal or a credit card, for smooth transactions. It's also crucial to familiarize yourself with eBay's buyer protection policies, ensuring you understand your rights and what to do if an issue arises with a purchase. This foundational step prepares you for a secure and enjoyable shopping experience. Once your account is ready, use specific keywords to search for items. You can refine your search with filters for price range, item condition, and even seller location to find exactly what you need. Always take time to carefully review the item description, paying close attention to details about its condition, and examine all provided photos. Don't hesitate to ask the seller questions if anything is unclear before making a commitment. This diligence helps avoid surprises. eBay offers two main ways to buy. Buy it now for immediate purchases or auction bidding. If you choose an auction, set a maximum bid you're comfortable with to avoid overspending. Before finalizing any purchase, always confirm the shipping costs, as these can vary significantly, and check the estimated delivery times. Be aware of the seller's return policy too. Making informed decisions ensures a smooth transaction and helps you get the best value. After winning an auction or using Buy It Now, complete your payment promptly to ensure the item is shipped quickly. Once you receive your item, inspect it thoroughly and then leave honest feedback for the seller. This helps other buyers and builds a strong eBay community. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your new purchases and happy shopping on eBay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.